Today at the House of Hacks, we're going to figure out a better storage system for jack stands. Hi, Harley here. I've been cleaning out the garage, and as part of that project I realized I have some jack stands that I've been storing on the floor, and I've got a perfect place right here in the corner of the garage between the corner of the building and the rails for the doors to put them. They'll fit in here perfectly if I can hang them like this. So the plan is to put a piece of 3/4 inch OBS in this space because the drywall is really not strong enough to hold the weight of the hooks very securely, I don't think. And it'd be easier just to screw into OBS. Plus then I don't have to worry about the jack stands messing up the drywall at all. So I'm going to fill this space with some OBS and put some hooks on it. And I think there's some supports in the bottom here, some braces that I think should be able to hook onto hooks real easily, and they should be able to just hang on the wall like that and just lift right off without any problem. I've got another style over here that has a triangular base and has a triangular support at the bottom of it that I think will also be able to just have some hooks that hook into that triangular support, and I think we should be good to go. I got the OBS securely attached to the wall with grabber screws into studs. I picked up some number 8 hooks, and now I'm just going to drill some pilot holes and screw them in. The size on mine are 7 inches apart. Yours may vary depending on the size of the base of your particular jack stands. That's going to work great, I think. Now I just need to get more hooks in for the other jack stands and I'll be done. That's been a real quick garage project this weekend. It kind of interrupted some other things I was working on, but this will be a whole lot nicer going forward. I've really needed to get these up off the floor where they collect dust and spider webs and everything and take up floor space. This will be a real great addition to the garage. Thanks for joining me on this creative journey we're on. Until next time, go make something. Perfection's not required, fun is.